SS Straight, I see you typing. What you got? You got any questions? SST Trades. SST Trades. Are you typing or not? Holy crap, guys. My fingers are freezing. What's up, Joey? Good morning. Got you before you said it. Good morning. Just watching today. Won't be able to trade. No problem, man. Zach, is you're on a cash account and you got no money today, or are you just taking a mental break? What's up, Joey? How are you? Can you trade today, Joey, or what? Honestly, it doesn't look too good. If y'all are watching yesterday, whoever was watching yesterday, I said SBFM. Hey, what's up, Alec? I think you were here yesterday. So, yesterday I said SBFM. Watch it for the rest of the day. If it consolidates all day at the power hour, it might squeeze. And look at this, $8 to $12. Does anybody remember me saying that? What's up, Alec? How are you? So you're the one that does fishing, right? What kind of yeah, it's trading today when I see good trade. Yep. So as far as my gappers, I got MDVL, which is okay. BFRI, it's okay. Ather, it looked a little better, but now it's pulling back. And then SEAC, but this got no volume, so doesn't look too good of a day, honestly. What kind of fish? What kind of fish do you try to go for all the time? And where do you live? Because I saw your picture and it looked like a wally or walleye or whatever it was. I think I can't really see. So I'm guessing somewhere up north. Ice fishing? Is that what you do? Love fishing walleye in the winter and mostly bass muskie in summer, but anything that bites really. Yeah, I thought it was a walleye. I quickly saw it. And dang, I've never fished walleye or muskie. Um, I'm down in Texas, so I don't even know that there's any over here. I'm sure there is somewhere maybe, but not that I know. So I'd just go for bass. Largemouth bass, LMB. But I love fishing, man. What state are you in? Texas. Texas. So there's some big bass around here. Actually, as a matter of fact, I think the last three giant bass that just came out, like crazy, like 23 or 24 pounds bass or something, were all here in Texas within like a week. Yeah, I don't think there is. Yeah, but big bass. It sucks though, 'cause where I live, or actually where I used to live, San Antonio, there was two rivers that I loved fishing, Lake Dunlap, and then the other one was, I forget what the other one's name is. I'll think of it. Um, so they're pretty big rivers. Like you can go under the bridge and drop your boat in and stuff. So I'd get in there all the time. And like maybe like 3, 4 years ago, the dam broke on one of them, and so it literally dried out completely. And it's like a big river, so there's like houses on the side of it, and they all got their boats, and it's wide enough that people are skiing and all that stuff while you're also fishing. It's kind of annoying, but there's like little coves that you can get in and get away from all that. Um, so the dam broke and then it literally dried out completely, so you can't put your boat in. So then I started fishing the other one more after that, and I don't know how, like a year later, 2 years later, the dam broke on that one. So now both of those rivers are dried out. So dumb. I wonder if they had to do anything with each other because it's the same river, but different parts of it. Hey, what's up, Mercer? Good morning. Lake Dunlap. So look at Lake Dunlap, and then I can't believe I'm blanking on the other one. Lake Placid is the other one. All right, we're about to be open, but guys, I honestly don't see anything at the open. So Juan, what do you think about MNTS? Is that a good reversal from pre-market? Why didn't it type in my MNTS? Oh, it's right here. I can see why you're saying that, but maybe it drops slower to $4, 4.11. Dang, yeah. And that was a good one. That was my favorite one. A lot of big fish were in there. Thank God I wasn't in the lake when that happened. I would have freaked out. So quickly got an alert for UEC. We got highs of 5.8. And I got another alert for who? SST. I mean, I think they're supposed to be fixing it, but it's taken them a while to fix it. Why is my time and sales not working? Okay, there we go. Still no trades. I don't see anything interesting. This one, it's a $14 stock, but look at what it was yesterday. Oh, you can even see. $63. Yeah, I did. It's crazy. So I think it's supposed to be fixed or fixed soon or something. I don't know. Got a quick bounce on NDVL. You bought this bottom from that pre-market support there? I see, I see. Good job, Mersa. This is the one I'm kind of interested in, but the volume is slow still. And I can't see my time in sales. It won't work on this stock. Look at this. My time in sales is blank. I can't see anything. I'm trading blind. Give my everything, my last name may feel like I will never. At there, let's see. Yeah, but we need to get back above VWAP. I mean, I wanted to take this trade right here on UEC, but if you can see this. Oh, I can't detach it because it's part of my actual thing. It's gonna break 5.8. My time in sales doesn't work. We are on Weeble, lol. I left that one alone. I couldn't see time and cells, so I'm not gonna play without it. And then look up Lake Placid, Alec. Same thing happened. It's a different lake. Or a different river, but they call them lakes. Here goes at there a little bit, maybe. May feel like I will never. Here we're breaking VWAP. Can we hold VWAP? Dang it. Could have bought that dip. Oh, you said we are on Weeble, like above VWAP. Yeah, that's so stupid. And that's where the sellers came in. Made 70 on MNTS in 2 minutes. Nice. That's the one you were calling about. Did you buy that dip? The Oh, you did go in. Nice. Nice, nice. Good job. I'm still watching at there, but pre-market support for BFRI. Yeah. I see MDVL now. How do y'all type these things so fast, guys? Y'all are typing them before I can even see them myself on the screen. Good job. So there's a little pullback on at there, but I'm not watching it anymore. So Ather and MDVL probably. There goes MDVL, a little push. Let's see if we get another little tiny bounce up. Small trade on MDVL. I'd like to see this one squeeze a little more, and then maybe we can get almost to a halt level around 2, 3, 4, right before pre-market highs. Nice, nice. You bought that little dip too, that little bounce. Yeah, I can see that that is one of my most plays, right? When you see a stock getting squeezed out, you can tell when it's getting squeezed out, and that micro pullback on the next candles are usually always a high percentage play. They're very fast scalps, but they're usually very fast plays. But yeah, that's usually what I've discovered over my trading life, career, experience. So it's still pushing. Ether tried again, but it kind of failed, so I'm going back to MDVL and watching this one again. Going up to its small resistance, pre-market. Bro, this idiot's gonna fall. I don't know that I would get on that one. Wow. If this candle closes high, we can get a micro pullback. Oh my god, Ether felt pretty bad. That's not good to see when I'm almost about to go into another trade. Took half there. I got in with 5k shares, took half out. I'm still in with 2500, putting a stop loss. I don't think this is going to squeeze. Yep, didn't think so. That's unfortunate. I would have I would have had a good trade there. I would have made probably $700-800 if we got ripped through that thing with 2500 shares. I was up 400 around there, and dang it. That's just that's just a market not in your favor. But then again, everything else is tanking, so imagine I held my shares from the beginning. Oh yeah, you got that first dip, right? That's the same stock you got it on right here, right? I'll be younger for a while longer than I did expect. Honestly, this can still move. I'm kind of tempted to buy this retest here, right there. Okay, like perfect sniper entry in. Don't stop me now, please, market. Just work in my favor. Just work in my favor, please, 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 please. Squeeze. Make a new high, candle. 1 minute candle to make a new high. So I want this candle. Nope, 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 nope. This is a part of trading when you just pray and hope it works. Again. Uh, Oh, come on. Now you're gonna move. So, I did want it to close above that. Yep, now it's gonna move. I close to close above here, and then wanted this guy to break that high. That's what I was looking for, but two trades, two good trades that I think I could have made a lot more if they worked on my favor. Well, actually, I mean, this one's still not moving, but I got stopped out already. Momentum scanner, I quickly picked up EURN, but I looked at it. It's got a high up here of 1320, but I don't really like it. I don't like the volume, so I ignored it. UEC failed, but I still can't see my time in sales. So I don't know what's the deal with this one. Let me see if I can see it over here. Yeah, it's weird. I can't see it either. Maybe this stock just doesn't have a time in sales. I don't know. Ather completely reversed, and it's breaking that little support that we had on that pre-market. So Marcel, you jumped in here and you jumped in here, right? You got that pullback with me, and then you got that sniper entry down there at support. And then Joey made a trade. This could squeeze a little more. Okay. Joey made a trade on MNTS. And you took profit, right? You took your profit there? If you did, good job, man. So, especially with VWAP up there, I would have taken half on the initial push and just stop out on the other ones if you have to, but don't hold your whole position hoping for a miracle. There goes SEAC is no, not SEAC, sorry. Wait, yeah, what? That is not that chart. Yeah, that was weird. It's well, actually SESC is also doing it, but I don't care about that one. BFRI is what I meant to put. Another trade on MDVL. Mercer, you over a PDT rule, right? Yeah, this one should have moved a little higher, a little bit more, but yeah, I agree with you. Where's SST? This is another one that, yeah, over in a margin account, yeah. You don't use margin. Yep. There goes MDVL again. Wow, a lot of sellers right there at that 232 again. Now you can see this stock is pretty heavily shorted right now, or a lot of sellers are coming in, or buyers are scared of it already, so they're taking profits fast. But when I like to see that, it's not for a breakout, but whenever you get a move that really squeezes them out, that's when you start getting parabolic moves because you have so many sellers now that are buying to cover. God, it's so cold in this house. If y'all wonder why I freaking have a hoodie on every morning, it's because it's freezing. And no, it's not because that's what I put this AC on. That's what my wife does. Yeah, I'm in Texas where we freaking blast the AC. Yeah, Texas is not cold though. Actually, yesterday was a little chilly, but it was because it was windy. But we're not cold. Except recently we've been getting these crazy storms randomly, like in the winter. We got a pretty bad one last year. Pretty bad considering to Texas, probably normal anywhere else. But we got hail that was the size of golf balls. I'm not kidding. Come to Connecticut and you'll feel cold. Yeah, I bet. BFRI moving again. Yep. Yeah, we got hail that was the size of golf balls, dude. It shattered like almost everybody's car's windshield, and then it shattered a window in our house. Like the master window was shattered, and then I had a little shed in the back. Come to Minnesota and you'll feel cold too. Yeah. And then I had a little shed in the backyard, like a plastic, like a hard plastic shed thing, and it literally like the golf balls, the freaking hail was literally going through it. It poked holes everywhere. Come to Minnesota and you'll feel cold. How cold does it get over there? Is it cold right now? Like what's the temperature right now? 21. What the frick? Let's see. I'll tell you what how it feels outside right now. Oh, it's actually kind of chilly today. It's 58. 58 is pretty chilly. Snowed last night again. Yeah, the first time that it snowed here, it was the same winter of with the hail, but it was like a couple weeks afterwards. It actually snowed a good amount for it being in Texas, but I haven't really been in snow besides that. But I do want to go to like a snowboarding trip or like something like that. Sounds fun. And I want to do it when I'm still kind of young, not when I'm like a 30, 40-year old and if I fall, I'm gonna break a bone, you know. Hit a tree or something, smash right into something. MDVL cannot get over that 232, guys. A lot of sellers, but then buyers stepping in at 219, so maybe right here. Other than that, dude, my scanner is empty. The only one showing up is EURN, and look at this. What am I gonna do with that? Gotta hit the Rockies, otherwise I've heard good things of Europe if you're into traveling. Yeah, yeah. There we go. Nope, failed. It's gonna go right through all this. This is that move I was telling you yesterday. When you get a pop like that and then you go right below it, don't buy it. You got a strong downward trend on BFRI, so if we get this break here, so look at this. Whoa, right there. So if we get a break of that, we might get a pretty nice squeeze. I'm looking for a dip buy on MDVL 205. What's your take, MDVL 205? When a stock is up like this, it just depends. Because if it kind of goes down, then maybe. But if it goes up, fails, gets rejected, and slams back down like trying to think of previous examples, but I can't think of any. So if it slams back down, this is probably a little too exaggerated, but if it slams back down, that means sellers are just gonna take control, and you're gonna see the stock do this all day, like fade. BFRI is trying this downtrend. And honestly, I think that's kind of a low entry. So when you saw this, you would have wanted to get in here, somewhere down here, and then start selling there, buy here, sell there, which is a very tight consolidation. So after this, whoever gets a move will probably continue for a little bit. Do y'all summers get pretty hot over there in Minnesota or Connecticut? Because here it gets unbearable sometimes. Like, pretty bad. So I've taken 2 trades today and only up $300. If I was to stop now, it keeps my streak on every single week this year being green. You watching SSD? Yep, I had it here, but not interested until 36, 37. Oh, look at that smack down right now, as you called it. Rarely over 100, 110. Oh, that feels nice. 80s and 90s in the summer. Sure, we were at 80s and 90s 2 days ago. Ather. ATER. That's not a good close. I'm gonna take a small trade just because we're holding that right there. It kept bouncing and bouncing and bouncing, holding that one. So I'm gonna buy and see if buyers just come in right now. Holding the 465. Otherwise, it's gonna flush right to VWAP and I'll lose a little bit. But, so holding 465. A little bit, up 20 bucks, $16, down $6, up $4, down $6, down $50. See, flushed right down to VWAP. I stopped out negative 50 bucks. So that's not bad. BFRI is still up. Oh, there's the break trend. Can we hold it though? No, we cannot. That's crazy. Look how tight this MDVL consolidation is, guys. Isn't that crazy? Like, how do you have, like, let me see. How do you have 12 million volume and you're trading within 7-8 cents. Let's see. Look at these asks on this number. 139 orders. 279 at 220 right there. Bids. So I on that loser on ATER, I said if we hold this level real quick, the 465, we can probably bounce a little bit. If not, we're gonna flush down. I said VWAP, but it goes BFRI. Where's the next target? And where's the next entry? Oh, there's a flush on MDVO. Oh. New high here. Maybe not. I'm still just watching it. I don't see a good entry. ATER just flushed down. MDBL came down a little bit, but it actually didn't come down as much as I thought. But so this one looks like it. Every time it dips, it's got good buyers now. I am putting an alert on MDVL just because we got that breakdown, but then buyers actually kind of held it pretty good at VWAP. So if we get a move back, it can go. All the sellers might get scared and get out of there. See this. Supported 412 on MNTS. I'm watching MDVO. This is probably a likely squeeze. I'm gonna play it pretty aggressively. Oh my gosh, I played it aggressively and that was a quick rejection. That is not what that's what I hate to see, man. So I actually lost on that trade. I was up 600 at one point right there. Dang, that sucks. Every time it pops up, it just fails a little bit. There goes ATER trying to again. A little bit. Here we go again. Consolidation within 7 cents. Do you use VWAP? Yeah, it's my purple line, so it's way down there. I mean, I have it on, but I'm I don't really use it to like enter trades that much, and even less now, knowing that VWAP on a lot of brokers is very different. So it's not like I'm scalping at the same time everybody is within that penny or something like that, because it's different. So, but it gives me a good sense of if the stock is strong or not. But usually all my trades are gonna be end up being above the VWAP anyway, so it's not like it really matters that much. I don't know what to do with this stock right here. So, no, damn. I gave back like $160 on that trade, even though I was up like 700 again. That rejection got me. But since we've been consolidating here, if we get down here or something, I'll buy that dip. Took a $30 win there. That's what I wanted earlier. Nope, it failed again. This might actually be the squeeze. I'm gonna go for it just because. Just because YOLO. Just because YOLO. Just because YOLO. So I'll go over that trade in a little bit. I will show you guys exactly why I bought. I will show you guys exactly why I bought that one. Mm -mm -mm -mm. Mm -mm 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 -mm. Oh my gosh, look at there. Don't give back the profit I just made. This is the same level as earlier. Now we're on top of it, so hold it. It's not gonna hold it. Frick my life, man. Frick my life, man. How do you get it squeezed like that and then you don't... Stupid idiot. Okay, just pop up a little bit. Let me get out. No. I made like 150, 200, and then I come... And... Did you see that? Did you see that as soon as I sold, this thing took off? Okay, so that looks shorted. So on MDVL, I might get another trade, honestly. Hold on. I'm giving more profit back. Rolling down in the deep and your brain goes numb. That shit is squeezed. Yeah, that should have broken there. That's okay. After again, man? Bro, you're gonna make me lose all my money. Come on. Bro, I don't know what to look at. Stupid Ather, you son of a... I'm watching one, I watch the other one. When I watch the other one squeezes. I sell that one, then doesn't squeeze, and then I go back to this one. This one doesn't squeeze. So I sold the other one, and now it's squeezing. Oh, I still want to explain that MDVL trade and why I did go heavy up there. That was my entry. Oh wow, BFRI also moving. All of them are moving now. What are the news for MDVL? I never look at news if y'all didn't know. Sometimes I feel like news are, or actually most of the times I feel like news are worthless, and it'll mess with me. So I'll be like, oh my god, they came out with a new car that can fly. This is awesome. This stock's gonna go up, and then I start buying it on like every dip or like every breakout I go for it, and it just doesn't do what the news should do sometimes. The only ones that are good news are the ADA approval or just stuff like that. Wow, that was a big fail. Did y'all see that? It was here, and then out of nowhere, it spawned down there. Oh no, I might be negative today. Doing my thing. I am negative today. Hey, crime bully, what the girl say? Real till 6 in the morning. And that was a small size too. I only went in with 2,500 shares, not 5, or at least half my share size usually. Still watching ATER. Okay, so fine, I got some time. So on that NDVL, we had um, ATER is moving now. How does this just, that is so weird, man. Till 6 in the morning. Another red trade there, dude. I'm losing it now. But I thought all of those trades were good trades. Like, yeah, I think sellers are just taking control of today. This is keep popping up and then fails, and then ATER does the same thing and then fails. Like, these are not healthy pullbacks. When you break the resistance and then you come right below it, it's not healthy. When you break it again and then you give like 75% of the candle back on the squeeze, that's not healthy. Yeah. Yeah, it made me go right on the all today too, so it's okay. I might be very close for the week, so this might just be a scratch week. No profits made. Fuck up and that fuck up, goddamn. The only thing I'm waiting to see if it's out of nowhere we get a squeeze and get that move that we got on MDVL on this stock all the way up to 507, but I can say. So for that MDVL, we had we had this move that would pop up, and then that candle immediately after it squeezed everybody, the candle dropped instantly, and it would start dancing around here. There, that was one. Second time here, breakout, and that candle went right below resistance, started dancing, right there. On this one, it popped this resistance, and that candle stayed a little higher. Wait, it was this one, right? No. Anyways, when that candle breaks the resistance but actually stays high, like it keeps holding it, it was this one. Yeah, it had to be this one. Yeah, it's this candle. Because this candle broke all this, but that candle stayed high. It didn't instantly drop. When you see that, is that sellers are not coming in so fast, and the buyers are still buying because the candle's staying kind of high. BFRI is still trying to move again past that 540. So that candle stayed up high, and once it stayed high, I decided to buy it, also thinking this line right here. So I bought the heavy amount and then followed it up. But I didn't on this one. That's the one I lost, but I got in earlier. But this one, that candle stayed high after that break. This one it didn't, and this one it didn't. I don't even know what kind of stock MTVL is. So I should be red today. Like 200 bucks. On ad there. But you're Mercer, you're green on MDVL too, right? Joey, did you trade anything else besides MNTS, or is that what you left it at today? When they come, they go. Through Sunday, Monday, Monday through Sunday, go. MDVL, maybe one last try. If I go red, then oh well. But not until we break this. Small position on that, thinking that is the break and retest. And got slammed back down on that tiny pop. I'm gonna lose on this one as well. SST is on a bounce from 27. I want one more trade on MDVO. Maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe not. Today was felt like a strong seller's day, didn't it, guys? We got one good move on MDVO. Well, actually, I guess we got two good moves, but look at all this choppiness on BFI. It's going up, but choppy, choppy, choppy. And then we got Ather, which kind of squeezed once, twice, three times, and somehow didn't go up above the same $4.80 or whatever. And then this is a low volume stock. This one I can see my time to sell, still can't, and that's it. SST bounce 27.65. Let me see. You bought in at 27.65? I would have seen the bounce from yesterday's high. So here, that's where I would have. Maybe this first one actually, because there, and there. But now we're kind of going below. So 10 minutes more and see if we get anything. Otherwise, looks like most of the action's been done with. Unless Ather wants to take more money away from me. Seems like it wants to. It's tempting me. Yeah, SST, yeah. That reminds me, I have to withdraw my money from Lightspeed, and I did the little ACH confirm my account or whatever, and they send you like a fake transfer, and you have to accept it or something. And I accepted it, and then like the next day, I went back to actually transfer the money, and then by then that transfer was like the connection had been erased. I was like, what? So I have to redo all that. Usually they're good for like 2 or 3 days, not one day. This might actually be a squeeze. Look at all those sellers. It's a terrible close, man. How are you gonna close underneath it again? Oh, come on. Nothing. Dead. Dead, dead, dead. Just looks like a curve. Yeah, but it just can't squeeze. Look at that. I mean, it's got. Come on, sip a Thinkorswim, dude. There. Because it is there. BBAI shot an alert. What is that? Wow. I think that's it, guys. I don't think we're gonna get another good move today. And y'all can see, like, y'all have gotten used to how I trade a little bit, I would imagine. So you can tell that even if I was to sit here the rest of the day, there's not really good stocks, good momentum, good trading to do until power hour, which, yeah, a lot of traders come back and trade it, but like middle of the day, very rare you'll get moves. It's usually all first hour and all that, but I keep just scanning through them, see if anything randomly keeps happening. But I think that's it, guys. So I might get off a little early, 10, 15 minutes early today. I don't see anything. Let's find out how much I made since I'm always open about that. Let's go trader view. And if I lost 200, I might still be green on the week, but probably like 150 bucks. Oh, I didn't even export it. I did get two unlucky trades. Two unlucky trades as in I think one of these that I was in a good and I stopped out with my stop loss, didn't really want to, didn't push. And then I think on this one I stopped out and missed all of that because I bought in later. And at there just got me today, but oh well. Today's the 8th. Upload, I should be down like negative 200, 237. So here's my chart for today. I was up 300 and then I finished down 200. Any plans for this weekend? Let's see, this weekend. What do I got? I have to do my yard. I do have to do that. My yard is pretty bad. I gotta take care of some weeds. Either pull them or just spray them down with Roundup. And then do my yard. And besides that, I don't think I got much. I might ask a couple of guys if they want to go play some disc golf or like something like that. I did get a handgun not so long ago, so I kind of want to go shoot it as well. I need to put some rounds through it. Oh, let's see if, let's go to reports. So these last, so here's my last 30 days, guys. Volume is too spread out today, yeah. So here's my last 30 days. I've been doing pretty good, and then this last week or week and a half, I kind of stalled out. I think some of these right here is the Lightspeed account. So I was in the process of trying Lightspeed, and then I came back, and then so I think some of these have to do with that. But I mean, if you look at my calendar, April, I got. Oh, nice. I didn't know you played golf. I started playing golf not too long ago, actually. Well, I say that because I took it. I actually tried learning it like a year ago, maybe a year and a half ago. I haven't gone in the last couple months, but I think I picked it up pretty good. I played tennis in high school and college, but yeah, golf. I like playing golf, man. I just don't usually have people to go with. So my friend and I are the ones that both learned it, but now he doesn't live close to me because I moved out. I'm new to where I'm living right now. I've been here for less than a year, but I do like golf. So yeah, last 30 days, still under 10K a little bit. See, I've had a lot of red days recently. Thanks, appreciate it. Good luck on your tournament. Go kick some butt. My winning percentage has dropped to 72.8%. Alright, I am gonna head out, guys, so I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks for coming in. I actually think Monday I'll take off, and then I'll just stream Tuesday through Friday next week, so that I can stream the 4 days consecutively. Man, I'm tired too. Alright, guys, y'all have a good weekend. If y'all have any questions over the weekend, like always, go ahead on, pop in on the Discord and ask me. But that concludes my training for today, guys. Y'all have a good weekend.